Hi, this is Val. I will be your tutor for today's discussion. Come and join us as we expound and analyze the theoretical assumptions and examples of expectancy values theory through creative and logical means. Let's get started. The expectancy value theory. The theory makes assumptions on how people will behave according to certain circumstances based on their beliefs and attitudes. It was developed by Jacqueline Eccles and her colleagues in 1983. The theory suggests that achievement-related choices are motivated by a combination of people's expectations for success and subjective task value in particular domains. Eccles et al. 2020 mentioned that motivation increases when both the expectancy and value are high, but it disappears when one of the factors is zero. It disappears. Like in a multiplication, expectancy times value is equals to motivation. Instinct value is the enjoyment coming from the task while doing it. Attainment value, however, is about the importance of doing the task well. Utility value refers to the perception of how the task will be beneficial in future projects. Lastly, cost is the amount of effort and sacrifice that will be done when doing the task. According to Fishbein 1967, there is a formula on how to predict people based on their situation and their views in life. An individual's beliefs are the main factor in assumption that will be made. You can see here the formula. Actions differ because every individual has their own values. The theory explains how possible directions would be of help to assess other people's points of view. Pembanati 2008 discussed that expectancies and values are assumed to directly influence achievement choices. They also influence performance, effort, and persistence. Expectancies and values are assumed to be influenced by task-specific beliefs such as ability beliefs, the perceived difficulty of different tasks, and individuals' goals. The theory can also be seen in the media industry. According to Palmgren 1984, a person's individual beliefs about an attitude object are influential towards their general attitude. Therefore, when people engage with the attitude object, represented as media consumption, the assumptions they have created are being altered from their original belief. Just like in the theory, the production is the one making the assumptions and the research will be the medium of the predictions. Expectancy theory is a motivation theory first presented by Victor Vroom of the Yale School of Management in 1964. Basic assumptions of expectancy theory. First assumption: individuals join company with some expectations about their motivation, needs, and past involvement. Second assumption: individuals' behavior is a result of certain choice. Third assumption: individuals anticipate various things from the company like job security, good salary, and challenge. Fourth assumption: individuals will behave in a definite way so as to improve results for them personally. The basic assumptions of expectancy theory suggest that motivation will end up in effort. After effort is coupled with the employee's ability and environmental factors, it will result in the performance. The three major components of expectancy theory. First, expectancy perceive effort. Instrumentally, perceive performance. Valence, perceive value. Expectancy or effort to performance. The individual's belief that effort will lead to the intended performance goals. An example of this: if I work harder, then this will be better. Instrumentality or performance to outcome, belief that a person will receive a desired outcome if the performance expectation is met. An example of this is superior performance is instrumental in acquiring a promotion. Valence or outcome. Outcome to goals. The unique value an individual places on a particular outcome. Outcome captures the fact that, do I find the outcomes desirable? Example of this is, if an employee has a strong preference for accomplishing a reward, result is positive. As is stated in the components of expectancy theory, at first, an individual consider what level of performances he can make, helping them to recognize the effective relationship among effort, performance, and outcomes. Vroom's expectancy formula. This theory proposed the formula to calculate the motivational force. Effort to performance to outcome is equals to motivation. Expectancy value theory assumption refers to how the person behaves based on the objects and actions. Advantages of expectancy theory. Self-interest. An individual who desires to achieve decreases discontent and increases contentment. Common sense. Demonstrate the range of motivation by breaking it down into separately noticeable phases. More scientific. Explains numerous of the circumstances connected to employee efforts, work performance, employee motivation, etc. that are noticed in companies. Limitations of expectancy theory. Idealistic theory. Few specialists believe that the complication of the theory makes it challenging not only to evaluate but also to apply. Limited use. It is more reasonable where individuals clearly recognize effort, performance, and performance reward connections. Victor Vroom presents the idea as management and motivation. It's often confused to be appropriate only to established workplaces, although it's not true. So in this sense, to receive topmost performance from individuals, employers must use transparent methods that closely relate rewards with performance. And here we are, into conclusion. Finally, our team discusses how to ensure that these three individuals' performance expectancy, value, and performance always apply to you when you have things to accomplish and keep you motivated in all circumstances. We hope you enjoyed and learned about the theoretical assumptions and importance of expectancy value theory. Thank you!